This monoblock amplifier delivers massive power, pushing over 3,000 watts of root mean square power to drive even the most demanding sound systems. Unlike standard subwoofer amplifiers, this model features a full-range frequency response that allows it to run entire speaker arrays, ranging from mid-ranges to heavy bass drivers. Engineered for high efficiency, the Class D architecture remains stable at 1 ohm, ensuring consistent performance without overheating your electrical setup. Users can precisely tune their audio experience using the variable high-pass and low-pass filters alongside a customizable bass boost for added low-end impact. The chassis incorporates an intelligent cooling system with powerful internal fans that activate automatically to maintain optimal operating temperatures during extended listening sessions. Its compact footprint allows for versatile installation options in various vehicles, while still providing the raw energy needed for competition-level audio builds.